Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Venmo, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question I get a lot lately, and that is, how do you set up direct deposit to your Venmo account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There's actually not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up direct deposit into your Venmo account? Well, that's pretty easy. If you work for a company, you know that sometimes it can be a hassle to pick up a paper check from your employer or have it mailed to you. So a lot of companies offer direct deposit so the money goes directly into your bank account. But if you prefer to have the money go directly into your Venmo account, it's pretty easy to set up. One thing I want to let you know is that as far as I'm aware, you do need to have a Venmo debit MasterCard in order to set up your direct deposit and have it available. And the reason for that is because once you apply for a Venmo debit MasterCard, Venmo will verify your identity with a couple of different ways. They need to ask for your ID, your date of birth, your social security number. So you do need to have a verified Venmo account, which I already do. If you need help with that, be sure to go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So this video is assuming you already have the Venmo debit MasterCard and your Venmo account is verified. So if you want to set up your direct deposit on Venmo, I'm going to go ahead and open up my Venmo app. It's all handled here in the app. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Venmo app, and this is the home screen. Here on the home screen, you're going to see various transactions that other Venmo users have done throughout the world. But if you're looking to set up your direct deposit in Venmo, you want to go ahead and click on this button here on the top right. It's these three horizontal lines. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, I went ahead and clicked there, and then you're going to get this drop down menu. But if you're looking to set up your direct deposit in Venmo, you want to go ahead and look down here on this line called settings. It has a little gear icon next to it. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, you're going to get this drop down menu for your settings. But in order to set up your direct deposit with Venmo, you want to look all the way down until you get to this section called buying. And there's a line here called direct deposit. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, you're going to get this direct deposit screen here in Venmo. And another thing I want to let you know is that by setting up direct deposit, the only thing Venmo can do is provide the information or details that are necessary to fill out your employer's direct deposit form. Now, your direct deposit form might be online or it might be a sheet of paper. If it's a sheet of paper, you will get that direct deposit form directly from your employer. Usually it's going to be the Human Resources Department. It's nothing that Venmo provides. The only thing Venmo provides is the information for the banking information where your employer is going to send the money to. Now, if you don't have one of those forms, don't worry. You can go ahead and just do a Google search and get any old generic direct deposit form, because basically your employer or government entity is going to need your routing number, which is right here. You're also going to need your account number. It's blacked out right here, but once you click on that, then your direct deposit Venmo account number will pop up. And sometimes your employer is going to require the bank name and bank address where the direct deposit is going to go. Unfortunately, Venmo doesn't show it here on this screen. You need to go to the FAQs for direct deposit in Venmo to get that information. Let me switch over there now. Okay, I went ahead and switched over to the Venmo FAQs for direct deposit. And in order to complete your direct deposit for Venmo, your employer may require this information, and all you do is scroll down. And as you can see right here, they are using the Bancorp Bank, and then they include the address. So your employer or government entity for direct deposit may or may not require that, but that information is there. Also, I want to let you know is once you filled out that form with your employer for direct deposit to go into your Venmo, it can take 1 to 2 billing cycles, and that has nothing to do with Venmo. Most of the time it has to do with your employer when they get it set up in their system. So if it's taking longer than that, then you want to contact your Human Resources Department and ask them if there's any kind of holdup on their side. Because most of the time they're busy, they have thousands of employees that they're filling these forms out for and inputting it into their system. So that's why it can take 1 to 2 billing cycles. Sometimes they forget to set it up in their system, and that's why your direct deposit is delayed. So there you have it, guys. That's the easiest way I know how to set up a direct deposit into your Venmo account. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.